Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. So first, let's go to our Snapchat. And here, what you're going to do is select this arrow down and you'll see this the multi-snap option. Just have to click that and there you have it. Now if this feature does not have on your Snapchat, what you're going to do is to go to your settings and click this clear cache and click on continue. And after that, you just have to restart your app. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.